API versus SSO. Deploy your enterprise risk phrase bank at scale. Welcome! In this micro lesson, we'll show why a shared risk phrase bank is a game changer. First, it standardizes high-risk terminology, so every team says the same thing the same way. No more mixed messages between legal, compliance, and product. Second, it reduces ambiguity in reports, emails, and chat. Instead of "might be risky," you'll use a clear, approved phrase like "material exposure identified" or "requires enhanced review." Finally, it supports compliance and audit readiness. When auditors ask why that wording, you can point to the glossary record, owner, and approval date. Clear language, faster reviews, fewer surprises. Think of the glossary as your single source of truth, a central hub with approved phrases and plain English definitions. Each entry states when to use it, when not to, and example sentences. It's governed. There are owners who draft changes, reviewers who approve, and version control to track history. That means you always know which wording is current. You can tag phrases by risk level, low, elevated, critical, by product, payments, lending, data, or by region, EU, US, APAC. Tags make search smarter and help teams apply the right language in the right context. With an API, your apps connect to the glossary in real time. As users type, editors can offer autocomplete with approved phrases, flag non-standard wording with validation, and provide smart suggestions like "prefer heightened due diligence over" extra checks. For larger content, run batch checks on documents, knowledge bases, and chat archives to catch risky phrasing at scale. This keeps terminology consistent across ticketing systems, CRM notes, policy docs, and dashboards without leaving the tool. The result: fewer rewrites, faster approvals, and measurable risk language quality. Start by defining clear endpoints: search, find phrases, validate, check usage, suggest, offer approved alternates, and sync, pull updates. Use stable IDs and metadata, like tags, versions, and deprecation flags, so editors always display the current phrasing. Cache wisely for speed, but respect freshness windows for regulated content. Agree on SLAs for uptime and response times, and set rate limits to protect performance during batch scans. Include error codes and fallbacks, so if the API is slow, users still get helpful offline guidance. Prefer a secure portal? Enable SSO using SAML, OAuth, or OpenID Connect, so users sign in once with corporate credentials. Apply role-based access. Readers see approved entries. Editors can propose changes. Reviewers approve or reject. Auditors see everything. Fine-grained visibility ensures sensitive phrases appear only to the right teams. Every action is recorded. Edits, approvals, and views generate audit trails tied to user identity. This boosts accountability, simplifies compliance checks, and makes it easy to answer who changed what, when, and why. Choose API when you want phrases to appear inside daily tools, word processors, ticketing, wikis, and chat, so guidance meets people where they work. Choose SSO when you need a secure, governed portal for browsing, training, and formal approvals. In practice, most enterprises deploy both: API for automation and inflow support, SSO for policy control, governance workflows, and audit access. The combo delivers speed without losing oversight, scaling from a single team to the entire organization. Start small. Pilot with one team that writes high-impact content, risk, legal, or support. Gather feedback on confusing terms and missing phrases, then refine. Run training with clear examples and do/don't lists, like do use potential conflict of interest. Don't write looks fishy. Encourage teams to submit candidates for approval. Track adoption with usage stats and validation scores, and iterate glossary entries based on real-world cases. Celebrate quick wins, faster approvals, fewer escalations, to build momentum across departments. A strong glossary delivers consistency and compliance. One voice, clear intent, audit-ready records. Use the API for automation, autocomplete, validation, and batch checks where people already work. Use SSO for secure governance, roles, approvals, and full audit trails. Start small with a focused pilot, measure impact with adoption and quality metrics, and scale across teams. Standard language lowers risk, speeds reviews, and helps everyone communicate with confidence.